Channels. Go. Give a chance, make it see where you come from now. You're so welcome. Vice President. Give way.
Touched are you on behalf of President Bola Tinubu?
The President was personally distressed by what happened in Mokwa, and he directed me that I must visit Mokwa and commiserate with the people of Mokwa and the government and people of Niger State over the sad tragedy that had befallen this community, and to assure them that the federal government, in partnership with the state government, will do whatever it takes to rekindle hope in the minds of our people. Under the AgriSat project, the federal government will take care of the drainages in Mokwa town. Yeah, the President has already directed the Minister of State for Agriculture to relocate to Mina for the next 1 week to see that 20 trucks of assorted food commodities are delivered to this distressed community. Most importantly, we have to find windows of rebuilding lives and hopes of the people. The federal government will expend 2 billion naira in partnership with the Niger State government to see that homes destroyed by this flood are reconstructed. Human lives can never be compensated, but we can give them hope for a better tomorrow. This is why the President is very empathetic, very much worried, very much concerned about the plight of the hundreds of thousands of our people affected by this disaster. Most importantly, we are on ground. We are going to rebuild the bridges. The federal government, under the able leadership of President Bola Tinubu, has already directed the federal Minister of Works to immediately embark on the reconstruction of the 4 destroyed bridges, which is a lifeline, actually, a major artery road that connects the south with the northern part of Nigeria. So it's our collective responsibility to see that we rekindle hope in our people for a better tomorrow.
Your Excellency, you did talk about the power project too.
Power is an essential sine qua non for any industrial takeoff. We cannot talk. Niger has the potential. And Mokwa, incidentally, I'm the chairman of the Niger Delta Power Holding Company. It's within my province, it's within my responsibilities to see that 14 MBA transformer is provided for the benefit of the people of Mokwa. This I can promise you at my own modest level. Of course, with the approval of President Bola Tinubu. He has given me the mandate to come and make commitments, to come and speak on behalf of the federal government from Nigeria. We have seen, we have spoken, we are committed. I want to thank the governor, the deputy governor of Niger State, who has been here on about 7 occasions to empathize with the people. I want to thank NEMA. The DG of NEMA was here. He has been actively involved in giving succor and support to the people. And of course, our development partners. I cannot leave out the media too. You have been here showing to the world the challenges we are facing. The Minister of Information and National Orientation, this is the second time of coming to Niger State within a week on behalf of the federal government. Most importantly, I want to assure the people, the government and people of Niger State, that we are going to walk the talk. It's not about empty promises. Under the AgriSat project, of which a son of the soil, a prince from Borgu, the Minister of State for Agriculture, is the co-chairman of the board. So we are going to look at the drainages,